One of the main reasons why I chose Lobachevsky was the highest research output between universities in Russia, and because of the availability of programs in English particularly. So like they have, I think 4 different faculties that provide courses in English and masters as well. And the research output for each one is higher than the other. Plus the rankings, this university comes in like one of the best universities across Russia and somewhere around like top 200 universities pan-world.
The dormitory is very comfortable and it's affordable because it allows an environment for one to be friendly. You are able to study. There's a study area on the 2nd floor. There's libraries. So there's all the resources that you need. You get free fridges, free microwaves, and it's very comfortable and warm too. There's nothing that you will get in apartment that you don't get in the hostel. The hostel it's top notch. I would recommend it to people.
What I really appreciate in our university is the academical sphere and the academical atmosphere. I found it to be really challenging yet rewarding. It helped me build a very strong foundation for my future career. But besides all that, I cannot not mention the fact that our university can also provide us very interesting projects, events, and meetings with interesting people, internships, electives. We have a lot of international students here. I also got the opportunity to meet with people from all over the world, which I also really appreciate. And I just think it's a really beautiful life experience in general. So.
We have this institution of clinical medicine. In this institution we study general medicine and dentistry. Me myself, I study general medicine. And I must be like a doctor, like a general doctor. The specialty I'll choose it after graduation, as in master's degrees.
So I recommend, if you want to be a student, a better student, come to Nizhny. Prices affordable. You can afford anything as a student, and the weather is good. The people are friendly. This city for me, it's amazing. It's really amazing because I have friends in other cities, Tambov, Saratov, and they still see my city as one of the best. So Nizhny, top notch.
Hello, I am Alexander Bedny, Vice Rector for International Affairs and Networking of Lobachevsky University. Lobachevsky University is one of the leading universities in Russia. It's a comprehensive university. It's a national research university located in a big, vibrant, wonderful city of Nizhny Novgorod. In 2023, Nizhny Novgorod has a status of youth capital of Russia. Students from around 100 countries of the world study with us. Welcome to join the international student community of Lobachevsky University.